Let me say something really important to you. If you're paying to learn to trade, you're getting scammed. Be careful. I found a simple trading method and it blew my mind. They don't charge anything and they teach you everything. And it's not theory from Abbado, Abbado.com. They go live every single day and they show you how to make money. They show real trades and real results. Their system works really well. And switching to Abbado.com was really a game changer for me. I didn't even realize how much my old trading account was stealing from me in a lot of fees. Abbado has no fees and literally save thousands a year. I have been profiting ever since. This is the only trading education you'll ever need. And it's free. Don't waste your time.